Jämtkraft, an innovative Swedish-based utility company that was founded in 1889, has been synonymous with environmentally friendly energy. For more than 20 years, the company has relied on ABB to provide life cycle services for the motors and drives that control critical equipment at the plant.
ABB has been our trusted partner for many years. We are certain that the solutions we get are tailor-made and contribute to our sustainability goals. To extend the lifetime of our assets, we realized 9 drives upgrades over the years. The modernization solution enabled us to avoid premature scrapping and reduce waste by keeping the existing cabinets and changing only the components inside. This helped us to realize this solution in a circular way.
Proven cooperation and proactive on-site support over the years resulted in signing a service agreement with Jämtkraft. In 2019, the service agreement was extended by adding the ABB Ability condition monitoring solution. This digital solution helps Jämtkraft to stay one step ahead and indicate any possible failures before they even occur.
This enables us to monitor and analyze the performance and operating conditions of our critical equipment and alert us to potential problems. This allows us to plan maintenance easily so we can prevent unexpected downtime, unplanned stops and production losses. Our service agreement with ABB gives us a peace of mind.